In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page from scratch using the content builder. The landing page functionality works with pages and not posts, so you need to make sure that if you want to create a landing page, you come down to where it says pages and add a page through there. So here I'm going to add a new page. I'll give the page a title, as always, and I'll click Save Draft. Same process as you would usually use the content builder. And then I'm going to come to where it says Edit with Thrive Content Builder, and the usual page will appear. Now you'll notice that on the right hand side there's a drop down called Thrive Landing Pages. If you come up to here and click on that drop down, there's an option to choose a landing page. So you can click on that option and this light box will appear. This shows all the landing pages that we currently have available. So I can scroll down here and choose what I'd like to see. Alternatively, I can click on one of these checkboxes here. So lead generation, for instance, shows the two lead generation pages, and big picture shows the one with a big picture. And you just need to choose the landing page that you want to load. I should just say that at the time of making this video, we only have 5 templates. We have a blank template and 4 others. But our development team are working really hard to add new templates. And I think within the next few weeks, we'll have multiples of this, probably 20, 30 landing pages for me to choose from. So anyway, once you've chosen a landing page like I have here, you can simply go down to where it says Load Landing Page and click on that. And there we can see we have a complete landing page set up for us that we can use. So as you can see, you have all the usual elements on the right hand side. So it's just like editing any other content. You can drag elements into the page and you can modify them just like you would if you're using the content builder before the landing page functionality came along. So we'll go over how you can modify the landing page completely in another tutorial video, but I just want to give you a quick overview of how you can change a few elements right now. So for instance, if I wanted to change this book cover, I can click on that, the control panel loads, I click change image, I can choose the image that I want to load into there. I don't really have a suitable image, but I'll just put that for now. I can click on any text on the page and start editing that. For instance, I can change the color right here to red, or perhaps I'll make something underlined there. I can drag and drop elements on the page. So for instance, if I take this headline and drag it up here, and I can add line breaks there to sort the headline out. I can move the button, for instance, outside of the columns, or I can move the button up to the top of the page. You basically get what I'm trying to display, that you can change anything on this page just by clicking a few buttons and modifying it. It's really that easy. So now when you created your landing page, you can click on Save Changes, and just as you could before, you just click on Preview, and it's going to show you your landing page. The way we've built this is such that in the editor mode and in the preview mode, it looks exactly the same. So there's no differences between the two, and that gives you less abstraction between when you're designing your page and what you see on the front end, basically, which is one of our selling points at Thrive. So now, having built this page, let's say I wanted to publish that and make it viewable for the public, then I need to come back into where it says Edit Page and actually go and publish through the normal means. So you come down to where it says Publish on the right hand side, click on that, and that is going to publish the landing page for you. And you can then click on View Page, and that will show the landing page. So here we have a landing page that's publicly viewable on your site, and you can test that by going into incognito mode and loading the page. And there we are. I'm not logged in now. This is what the public would see if they came to visit this landing page. As you can see on this particular landing page, there's a button that says download the free report, and when you click on that, a light box appears. I'm going to show you how you can edit those light boxes in a future video so that we can run through how to add your autoresponder code and get everything set up. So now I'm back in the editor mode for the landing page. If I wanted to now change the template, I could do that. And what I'd need to do is come to where it says Thrive Landing Page, click on Choose Landing Page, and then I can choose another template. But what I might want to do is save this template as it is right now. So I'll put Paul Landing Page 1 as the name, and that's going to save this existing template, and it saves it in this Your Saved Landing Pages tab. You see Paul Landing Page 1, and it's got the date next to it. So I can come back into default landing pages. I can choose, let's say, another design like this, and it's going to load that landing page up in my browser. But let's say I didn't want that. Let's say I wanted to revert. I can come back into Thrive Landing Pages, click Choose Landing Page, come into my saved landing pages, and revert back to the landing page that I saved before. And that's going to load that up in the browser for me just as it was before. So that makes it very easy if you want to have multiple landing pages on your site that are very similar. You just save it as I showed you there, and then you can load it up on different pages. The final thing I should just say is if you created a landing page and you no longer wanted that landing page, you wanted to load the theme page template that comes with your theme, you can come to where it says Thrive Landing Pages and you can click on Revert to Theme. Alternatively, you can click on Edit Page, and that's going to take you to the normal page editor in WordPress. And you'll notice that we've added this alert here. It says you're currently using a content builder landing page to display this piece of content. If you'd like to revert back to your theme template, then click the button below, Revert to Theme Template. And that does exactly the same thing. So I'm just going to demonstrate here. I come to Thrive Landing Pages, click on that, and then click on Revert to Theme. Now this is going to take me back to the standard blog page, and I'm no longer loading a landing page. And that is a brief overview of how you use the landing page feature in Thrive Content Builder.